So this is I lost count. Day I think this is day 5 or day 6. I don't know. So welcome again to my improvements, um, my self improvement on communication, my communication skills in English. So I still haven't formed a script. So I have my reasons. So reason number one is I filmed this video. I hope I can edit this in CapCut. And this video, anyways, I've been busy from school work. I've um I've been yes, I've been a bit busy. I I finished my chores. My chores are the usual things: wash the dishes, swipe the floors, and after that is I guess and general cleaning and making ice. Yeah, my fellow foreign viewers wouldn't relate to, but probably my um, Filipino people will recognize the ice, yeah, the the packet, the plastic yellows, mm, something like that. So, what can I talk about? Hmm, I guess. Oh, this I remember this. So in my business, right, I have a business which is GPAX International. One of our top earners, Sir Edison, um, just I'm I forgot Thompson, just Edison, Sir Edison. He was the top earner in our company, and he just earned about 100 million pesos from doing um, the total income, which was 100 million pesos. And I'm just going to edit the US dollar amount here. And it's big. Man, he was just a teacher or a professional networking before, or I can't seem to remember something. He used to work a regular job, but here in GFox, you can earn so much more. Did you know the GFox? Our company GFox has a abbreviation. It is growing from ordinary to exceedingly extraordinary. So meaning, even an ordinary person can become an extraordinary person. Something like that. Yeah, I have seen some testimonies and people um, who earned in this company. Yeah, they even a regular waiter can do our business. Like our mentor Ray Luna, and he was a former waiter, a a high school graduate, and yeah, after he discovered our business, G Fox, of course he worked hard for his position. Yeah, something like that. I'm still improving my communication skills even off camera. I speak to myself. So, but anyways, coming back coming back from the topic. So my storage ran out. So coming back to the topic, he was a former waiter, a high school graduate, and he did GFOX, and today he is earning six digits monthly. Yeah, digits monthly from doing our business, and he is a two times car achiever. His car is a Vios, and it's not a Honda Civic, a Fortuner. And this is the Fortuner, and this is the Vios. I hope I can edit because I have so much little time, and I'm going to post it. So hello again, and I just talked to my mom about something. So where was I? Yeah, um, I forgot. Wait, I'm going to pause. So coming back from the um short break. What can I talk about again? Tomorrow is di ko alam. Um, where is I? So today is Friday, so mm, Saturday is tomorrow, so I'll probably make a script now. Finally, I have I have no more activities, no more task, performance task. By the way, I'm going to upload here in my YouTube. You can check them out. And oh, and yeah, I'm making a script. And what are my plans for tomorrow? Oh, my plans for tomorrow are going in my business meeting in my GFX. Right, just a jeep away, or a 3 kilometers from here. We are going to talk about our products, our company again. We practice and practice in our company. That's how we master ourselves, how we earn. So yeah, and what can I do? Oh, the things I think yes. Um, I'm sorry for those who are watching this right now. So I feel sometimes like hard. I'm sometimes I'm hard to watch because of my um, stuttering, and I apologize for that. Uh, Anyways, I can't I can't I can't seem to um, think of what to talk about. Oh, I remember. Man, I'm so forgetful. So what I want to do in the future. Ano muna? Tagalog tayo, boys. Dito tayo magaling magsalita eh. Hirap na hirap ako mag-English. Yun, talagang hirap na hirap. Dati magaling, ngayon hindi na. Kasi hindi ko masyado ginagamit na English dito sa aking... Ginagamit ko naman. Hindi ko lang na apply o nasasabi o nasasabi sa harap ng camera at mga tao. Nahirapan din ako mag-English sa mga tao. Pero pagka ako Taglish, modern Taglish, ay, I'll assure you, I will be great. Man, that was so cringe. Anyways, um, I I'll wait. I'll probably rewatch this if I'm probably famous. Mga ambitious na ako. 1 million subscribers. I'll visit this. I hope. I hope I will be consistent and you know, talagang nalilimutan ko yung plano kong ano. Yung plano kong introduce myself. Talagang yung proper na introduce myself. Yeah. Anyways, low storage na daw ako. So anyways, yun na muna ang aking video for today. I know I yap a lot, but I don't care. I just want to produce. I don't care about criticism. I don't care about how um how I me- pro- how I'm I am struggling a lot right now. Maybe perhaps it's not a lack of sleep. The irregular sleep schedule. Anyways, goodbye for goodbye and see you in the next video. Bye bye.